So we've established that critical thinking is important in liberal arts math. Next question, Dave, it's 2013. A lot of our evaluation is done online. How does that work? Well, that was a tough nut to crack when we started working on this project, because the traditional online homework system, to be completely honest, online homework systems initially were developed for exactly one reason. That reason was so teachers didn't have to grade homework. Not exactly the thing that leads naturally into critical thinking. Are things we've done so that students have to show some of their work as they go through these problems to add back that critical thinking aspect that's lost when there's a single answer to the problem. A really good example of that is in the area of logic. So a classic critical thinking exercise is the entire study of evaluating arguments in logic. Is this argument valid or not? You put that online and guess what happens? Coin flip. Because the question ultimately is this argument valid or is it not? It's a 50-50 shot. So how did we fix that? I was so excited when our team came up with this. The way that students evaluate arguments in logic is they fill out a truth table. So they have to take the verbal argument, translate it to symbols, set up the truth table, fill in the truth table, and finally, based on the result, they answer yes or no, the argument is valid or not. These are all separate parts that they have to complete before moving on to the next part. So they can't answer yes or no until they have translated the argument into symbols, actually filled in the truth table online, and then they click and it moves on. So they can't just guess. They don't have the 50-50 shot. They can't just ask somebody, hey, what did you get on number 7? Is it valid or is it not? They're showing that they actually have to do the work as they work through it. And that's just a really exciting aspect of the system for me. The way that we dealt with critical thinking in the liberal arts math online experience is with a fabulous new product called LearnSmart. LearnSmart is an online system. It's an artificial intelligence system, and it's not based on computation or actually doing calculations. It's based on answering conceptual questions about the student's understanding of different topics. But we're really excited about this product because it's the first thing we've seen that truly focuses in an online environment on the conceptual understanding rather than using the conceptual understanding just to answer computational questions, and that's very exciting to us.